from Linbay Machinery, and this is our box beam production line, which is just finished recently and will be shipped overseas in these days. So this box beam is a very important component in our weld shop system, and also our roll forming machine can produce other parts of the shop system too, just like upright racks, shop panels, and connectings, and etc. This is one completed coil sheet, and it will be combined with another sheet to be a closed box beam. Now I will introduce a general process of a production line. So first we will start with a decoiler, then it's a leveler, then it's a pre-cut, the main roll forming part, and the hydraulic post cut. And this is a convening platform, and this is automatic flat machine. Then after the seaming machine, it's the out table. Okay, now I will introduce the whole production line individually, part by part. So for each production line, we usually start with an uncoiler, and this is a 3-ton decoiler. The biggest advantage compared to a hydraulic decoiler one, this manual decoiler is much more cost effective, and to our business it's low cost. We can spend more money on other parts of the production line, and it's also very practical too. After the manual decoiler, it's a integrated leveler. It's not a separated one, it's an integrated leveler. It requires smaller area and it can be more affordable too. A leveler is a precision machine which is used to eliminate the rigidity of the coil and eliminate the stress and the tension on the sheet coil. When we produce a box beam, the thickness of the material we used is 1.5 to 2 millimeters. So when the material thickness is over 1.5 millimeters, usually a leveler will be necessarily recommended, and it can be omitted due to the price. So after the leveler, this is a pre-cut, hydraulic pre-cut. Usually a pre-cut we use is to save the most cost. And here, considering our customers' multi-sizes requirements, this pre-cut is for more easily to change the material and the sizes of the steel coil. And after the pre-cut, it's our main roll forming part. And here we adopt iron cast structured and a chain drive mold. We can see here it's a chain drive. It's a very traditional drive mold. So the iron cast drive mold, you can see it's nowadays the most strongest way to frame the whole line. And it ensures it's bearing this high load work, and it's very efficient too. It's poured in one piece, so it's very durable and it can save us a lot in later maintenance. And the chain drive mode is a very traditional transmission mode, as we can see in our common life like the bicycles. So chain mode, it has no elastic and no elastic sliding and skid to maintain the average accurate transmission ratio, and it's compacted structured. It has no tension and less pressure on the shaft to lose friction of the bearing, and it can work in hard conditions. As we can see, our workshop is always in high temperature and oil pollution. And also the installation and manufacturing accuracy requirements is quite low too, which is very favorable in our COVID-19 situation. And here, for this production line, we can produce multiple sizes. It's because here we adopt an automatic adjustment function. Here we can see there is a separate here we have a separate motor here to supply the power for the rollers here, and it can move. So you can see there's a guide rail here. It can move backward or forward to change the gap between the rollers. In this way, to change the final sizes of the profile. So this is the reason why this production line can produce multiple sizes of the steel coil. So after the hydraulic flying part, the steel sheet will be transferred by the convening platform, pushed down, waiting for another piece sheet. And then another piece sheet coil will be cut off and transferred to by the convening platform and pushed down again. And it will be flipped by the automatic flip machine. And the two together will be compacted together and fed into the sieving machine. Also, we have a manual feed configuration to meet different customers' needs. Worth mentioning that the sieving machine corresponds to the roll forming machine. We equipped an automatic adjustment function in this way to create an entire automatic production line effect. So you can see the whole production line is almost automatic. And after the out table is a completed box beam. And here the four angles, they are all compacted together. And in this way, to ensure the strength compatibility. And it will debug before leaving the factory and make sure it can produce in time after it boarded to your country. Also, there will be a manual of use and the installation videos provided. We are always here for you. If you have any questions, you can always ask us. Our consultation service is open for you for 24 hours. And our warranty time for you is 5 years for the motor power, 2 years for the whole line. Please subscribe our channel for further cooperation. Thank you.